Introducing the DLD-600, a double-head uPVC welding machine engineered for manufacturers who refuse to compromise. Place, heat, fuse. In one seamless cycle, uPVC profiles are melted and bonded under pressure. 2 welding heads, 1 cycle, double output, ideal for windows, doors, curtain walls, glazing facilities worldwide. An intelligent PLC system with touchscreen control means consistent, repeatable results. Every single time, no skilled operator required. Flexible welding angles from 45 to 90 degrees, automatic pneumatic clamping, adjustable heat and cooling cycles, up to 120 frames per shift, meet rising demand without ever sacrificing quality. The DLD-600. Choose precision, choose efficiency, choose PRL